So in this video, I have a pretty big haul full of stuff. As you can see, I got these crazy bags right here that I want to show you guys for sneaker people out there like us. And then also got a pickup from Nike, as well as Hibbett Sports, and then a random little care package over there as well. But let's go ahead and get into this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. And as I mentioned in the previous day, there is a sale for Nike and Adidas both. 25% off of Nike clearance and then 30% off of select items on Adidas site, including Ultra Boost and Ultra Boost 19 for only like $128. Really good deals on both sites. Check out my link in the description for the deals that I posted. But in this video, I got a bunch of stuff. Shout out to Sole Premise for sending me these crazy bags. There are 3 different sneaker bags that I want to show you guys today. But let's hold off on the bags until the end because this is going to take up a lot of the video. Let's go ahead and start off with some of these smaller things. First things first, I got this little care package here from Rock'em Socks. I haven't opened it yet. They sent a card too. Let's open it and see what it says. It says, James, hope this goes well with your new auto lacing shoes. Our signature Hex performance features. These socks are futuristic as they come. Thanks again for the support. So if you guys didn't see, I did do a review of these shoes right here. And in that review video, I was wearing Back to the Future socks. They were from Rock'em, and I bought that pack a couple years ago. And they saw my post, and they said they wanted to reach out and send me another pair of the new ones. So check out the cool box. Comes in the radioactive box. I have the 3-pack. This is a newer version to the one that I have. So as you can see, these socks are going to go perfect with these shoes right here. So thank you to Rock'em Socks for sending these over my way. You can see their social right there. Cool that they reached out and sent this other one to me. All right, so moving on, Hibbett Sports sent a package over as well. Shout out to Hibbett Sports for sending these over. I will have a review on these coming soon. This is the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36, and this is a new Pegasus right here, and it is $120 at retail. The fit is true to size from what I found from wearing these a day already, and nice looking shoe. It's kind of like a little small evolution from the 35s. You can see it still has a widow's peak on the back, full length zoom. They changed up the tongue a little bit, but I'll have a comparison video to the 35s and the 36s, as well as a casual review of these later in the week, so stay tuned for that. But shout out to Hibbett Sports for lacing me up with a pair of these. A nice looking shoe and definitely a comfortable one. Excited to give you guys my thoughts on these. Next up, this box here. So I actually caught this from the Nike sale myself, and I saw it on sale for I think $88, and so I wanted to make the purchase. And I bought, as you can see, this hoodie here. As you can see, the retail on this was $130, but I paid I think $88. So it's 25% off of whatever the sale price was. And this is the hoodie that I got. Pretty crazy print from Nike.com. And I'm actually trolling you guys. This was an all-white hoodie that I actually did an ice dye on. So I already did my ice dye on this one, but I have a video that will be coming soon. I have like 7 or 8 different hoodies that I'll be showing you guys. This is one of them though, and I'm super stoked the way that this one came out. So if you haven't seen my ice dye videos in the past, it's really simple to do, and I'll be doing another tutorial pretty soon of just hoodies. But the dye came out really crazy, as you could see here, and man, I'm happy with the results. This is exactly what I was going for, with the variations of grays and hits of orange on it, and it worked really well on this Nike Tech material. But this was all white, and I paid $88 for it, and then I risked it by doing this dye to it. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Is it something you guys like or not? It's kind of just a one-of-one thing, a little different and something fun for me to make. And I love black and orange, so gray and orange and stuff was a great combination in my mind for this. So that is what I did, which is the reason why my fingers are all destroyed and stuff, because I have all this dye all over the place. Stay tuned for that video. But if you do want to buy this hoodie, it is on sale at Nike.com, and you could do the same exact ice dye. In the dye video, though, I'll show you guys a $15 alternative that I got, $15 Hanes hoodies that worked really well on too. So excited to show you guys that video. So leave a thumbs up on this video and leave a comment. Let me know you want to see that ice dye video sooner than later, and then I'll put it in the priority list above some of the other videos that I need to create. But pretty cool, and I'm really happy with the results on this one. And last but not least, you can see we have the Sole Premise bags. Shout out to the Sole Premise team that sent this care package over. Super generous care package, really, really dope. They sent 3 bags, as you could see here. So this first one right here is the main Sole Premise bag. As you can see, it's a beefy backpack that actually holds 5 pairs of sneakers. And this one you can actually take on as a carry-on on. So obviously when you go into sneaker shows and whatnot, you want to have a big enough bag to hold the sneakers that you want to bring with you. If you're bringing at least 5 pairs, this bag will hold all of those, and then your laptop as well, probably even your camera. And then you can store this above on the airplane, which is a really big plus. There is a huge opening right here that comes down, and you can see inside there is 2 pairs of shoes. Pretty easy to fit in, and nice little solid compartments that you can fit your shoes. I will have a review of the Daybreaks coming soon. I definitely want to get that review out there. These are sitting at retail and they're great shoes in my opinion. Then there's also a middle section right here for laptops, which is kind of nice. Then on the other side, you could see the same thing. Note that I am a size 9.5 US though. If you're a larger size, 12, 13, you might have a hard time fitting your sneakers in the bag, but honestly, you're gonna have that problem no matter what type of bag you're carrying. I'm sure that's Bigfoot problems, right? Like you guys have that no matter what, but I'm just throwing that as a cautionary note. But then this is where it's kind of fun too. They also have this bonus compartment section on the bottom. And so there's a huge section on the bottom. You can fit really big shoes or camera bags or whatever else you want down on the bottom. And I just want to shout out the fact that I have these. Like, nobody talks about these, but I love this colorway. It's one of my favorites. So as you can see, it holds those 5 pairs pretty easily in this bag. At least 4 of them really well, and then you can put something special on the bottom because the bottom section is just really, really big. Too big probably for my pair of shoes that I have in here. But that is the main bag. Let's go ahead and check out some of the others. So next we have the Sole Premise duffel bag, and it has a de-embossed Sole Premise logo right here, which is nice. Nice quality leather on it, feels nice. Then you have a pretty cool way that these stack in. So there's a spot on top, obviously, that you can load in your shoes right here. And as you can see, I have a couple pairs of shoes inside of here. The Air Jordan 8s that I removed the straps on that everybody flamed me for, but I think that looks dope the way these are. And then I also have my Wave Runners right there. But you can see there's only 2 pairs here, but what is happening is in the bottom layer, there's these components on the side. And if you open these up, you can actually fit 2 pairs of shoes on each side. So it's kind of nice. They have their own separate compartments here that you can put an extra pair in. Obviously, you want to put these in first. But that's 1 pair on that side. And then there's also another pair on this side, as you can see here. For my John Elliott collab here, the Vandals. The other 2 pairs of shoes fit side by side inside of the bag. And so it's like, kind of like a bottom layer of the duffel, and then you have the top layer. But it keeps them separate, which is nice if you want to have the extra room for them and not have them get all crammed together. And the last bag, this is a Commuter Bag. This is the leather one. It has a Sole Premise logo in gold. Here, there's an extra little pocket here for miscellaneous items. But when you open it up, it's actually something that's kind of cool because you can fit 2 pairs of shoes in here. But I actually crammed in 4 pairs because I'm small enough and I have 2 pairs of dunks. But so there's dunks here. But this is really what they're showing you, is that you could fit 2 pairs in on the bottom of here and then have tons of room here for everything else. So as you can see, I fit 2 pairs in here. Shout out to Jeff Staple again for sending me the pigeon dunks. If you guys missed that video, it was really crazy, man. He sent me so many stuff. It was just amazing. And then down on the bottom, I have the other pair, as you can see right there. So fits 2 pairs in here, and then the laptop in, and it fits everything in really comfortably. And that is the Commuter Bag. So all 3 bags, pretty dope to have them sent to me. They are kind of expensive, in the $200 range. But if you guys are interested in buying them, check the link in the description. You can check out their website. Thanks again to the Sole Premise team for sending over the bags. All right, anyway, that is the video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Rockham for the socks. Shout out to Hibbett Sports for the Pegasus. And shout out to Sole Premise for the bags. Pretty dope day, if you ask me. And then this, again, I'm just super, super stoked the way this came out. I think it looks pretty amazing and really easy to do. The ice dye technique is something I've been doing for a little bit now, and it's really, really easy to do. You have to be patient, though, but it's definitely worth it in the end. So expect that video soon. Leave a comment what video you guys want next. I have a Pegasus 36 video. I have the Daybreaks. I have the ice dye, React Presto follow-up after wearing a month video. Man, I got a lot of work to do this weekend. Again, check the Nike and Adidas sale in the description. They end on Saturday and on Sunday, and hopefully you guys can find some good deals. Anyway, have a good rest of the day. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live. And we will see you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.